All right, guys, I'm almost there. I just have one more video after this one. And these are finally finished up, a card kit. Now, this is actually a card kit. I think this is Stamps by Me, Gorgeous. I think it's called Gorgeous. I think it was sometime maybe last year I purchased this. And I had it in my stash, again, not using it. So let me, so I want to, again, start using up my stash and just getting things done, playing around with it. And then I also matched it up with some of these stickers that I purchased off Amazon and also at Scrapbook. Those expos that I went to many moons ago and I still had in my stash. So it's time to play around with those and just use them up. And the only thing I like about this too, not all, but some of them you can, which I might do with these, I'm going to try to stamp if I have this stamp butterfly, and use these for the pieces of the inside of the butterfly once I stamp them. So get transfer. I know some of these you can use the transfer tape to use the negative space of them. So that's going to be my goal with some of those. So I see. And I did use the diamond pressed flat diamonds, Bing, or whatever these things are called. So I did use some of those. So let me show you what I created. And these were so much fun to create. I didn't do the, oh yeah, I did do the inside. I could show you one of the insides. So these I did stamp first the inside, the sentiment first, and then I went back and I decorate the card. So here's one, and I did shade. You see some of the shading. I did do a lot of shading. So this was good. So I took out those inks and I really played around with these cards. Again, I added that. And some of the borders I did add, like this one. This is added borders. Just added. So anything that didn't come with the card kit, I just added on. Here's another one. So it can basically all shades and everything. I'll show you one more of the inside. And then all the other ones, I'm just going to show the outside so the card won't be so the video won't be so long. So this was, I love this card kit. And I think it was called Gorgeous. So here's another one. Harry. These are cute. And I love the colors. The card kit was nice, very nice. Here's another one. Just added on to the card. And again, once you know what you have in your stash, you can really have fun with these things. So I think these are almost done. I think I'm gonna add a couple more things to the Paris ones. I think I have some Paris stickers. So the inside of the cards, and even with boo-boos, I'm gonna show you one towards the end. You can find you a sticker and you can add it right onto that boo-boo. Here's another one. Again, the colors for these are so nice. And I just inked up some things. Inked around the card base, not the card base, the layering top. And just added that butterfly. So again, these are so cute. Again, I inked. Getting better with inking. Definitely getting better with inking. Couple more guys. Then I just have one more video to share. See, I added that little bling in the center of that wheel. One more. See this? This is cute. See, and that's why I want to use the stamp platform. I could have did this one more time just to bring through that O and that U, but overall. And here's the one I just have to correct. I have some birthday stamps. No, there I go with stamps. But birthday stickers. So again, I just added these things on here. And And I left this here so I know where the boo-boo is. It's just like a little smudge. So you can add a sticker there, there, and you can always hide your boo-boos. And that's it with this set. So I'm going to show you what I did with some of my washi tapes. And when I mean I have to start using them, I have to start using them. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay blessed. Bye-bye.